Booty kick.
A kick that's given not with a boot, but with a booty.
Booty kick. Booty kick.
A kick that's given not with a boot, but with a booty.
Booty kick.
Holy cow, I think you know what that is? Hey, Bush, check it out.
It's a Tootsie Roll.
You're right, I better shake that for you. It is, it's a Tootsie Roll. Wow, what a cool dog. Let's do that again.
Oh, this is fun! Right you are. Follow the cards. Congratulations! Want to watch a special episode of Imagination Movers featuring Warehouse Mouse? Click on the special picture you saw on Playhouse Disney.
Watch Ben 10 blow up the candles. Ben 10 eat the cake. Delicious. Now Ben 10 open the presents.
Make your arms go up like the ladder on a truck. Wave your hands in the air to make your siren blare. Make your arms go around one tick at a time.